Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you import your Trust Wallet older account into your Trust Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Trust Wallet application. And now, after opening the application, you will get to see this Add an Existing Wallet option. Tap to that option and then you can choose Secret Phrase, Swift, Google Drive Backup, View on the Wallet. These four options. Just simply select the suitable options for you. For example, I'm selecting this Secret Phrase option right here. And I'll select Bitcoin in here. Now you just simply have to paste secret phrase into this box, which is mostly 12 characters long, but sometimes it might be 18 or 24 words separated by single space. Means there might be 12, 18 or 24 words into your secret key which is separated by a single space. Just simply do that and then your old account will be imported into your Trust Wallet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.